Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cross Creek Classics. We are back at our friend Pete's 67 Mustang Fastback. This video here, we're going to give the trunk area a little love and put a trunk kit in. Get the right key here. And when we did this car here a few years back, never did anything with the trunk. So Pete decided he wanted to finish it up here, so we went back and forth, talked about some different options. He had just thrown this in here for the time being, just to kind of give it some just some sound deadening in the back here until he decided what he wanted to do. So we picked this up here from National Parts Depot. It's a carpeted kit. And it's a black with the fiber boards for the sides there. So we're going to open this up and get this installed and give us a little bit of love in the back. So let's get going. So we got our box open up and there's a whole bunch of pieces in here. You can see the carpet here is glued to this nice black board. Pieces, more pieces. All right, guys, so we got this just rough fitting here. So far, it seems okay. It doesn't fit as nice as I'd like it to, but it is just laying in here. We got to decide what we're going to do with this spare tire bracket here too. We're going to have to cut a relief hole in there for that to come through. So we're going to let this sit overnight and let it relax and come back and mess with it tomorrow. We had this thing sitting overnight, laying here nice, and I've been messing with it here. This little fold is starting to come out. I might have to get the key gun out after it. And we got a cut here around our spare tire mount. And we got the sideboards in over here. See that? I had to do a little trimming on the front edge of this one. I wanted to bring it out a little bit. This carpet wasn't getting up close to this the way I wanted, so I brought this board in about a ½ inch, and I put double-sided carpet tape down here to hold this in place, and I also put it here on these edges to hold this down so it lays nice. I'm going to do a little trimming up here on this piece, get this to fit a little bit better. And they give you a couple other little pieces that go in there. I'm not exactly sure how we're going to do this, but we may bust out the glue for this one. I'm trying not to glue it down in case you got to take it apart. Been using this double-sided carpet tape. So this side here, I got this board back in place, and it's just sitting here loose. It's going to fit pretty decent by the looks of it. I also put a piece of tape in the middle here to hold it in place. So that's that. And then these boards just kind of press fit in here. Just kind of tuck it up under here and give it one of these. Pressure fit. Fits pretty nice. I may notch this one here to get this to fit up in here a little bit better. But yeah, I mean it's coming together. It's a little more trimming than what I think what we planned on, but I think it'll be okay. And then they have these little covers here. They go over the tail lights. Get them in place here too. So we're going to continue on with this and work on this side over here now. after a lot of filling around here, we got this thing to fit pretty good. One thing I want to make notes of, up under here, there's them little bend down tabs that hold the wiring in. And I notched these panels out. There's 3 notches here. Notched the fiber board out so they fit up in there nice. And like on the 67 Shelbys and my Cougar, those boards that go back are actually notched. The factory ones are actually notched to go around that too, so we did really nothing different than factory would have. These pressed in here real nice, they fit nice. This is laying down real good here. Yeah, we put them little pieces up in there. These were a little bit of a trick. Luckily my wife was able to use her patience to get them fitted. This side here looks pretty good too. Got this fiber board up in here. So the one thing that we are not crazy about with this kit is I do not know why they couldn't have made this go up another 6 or 8 inches to cover this piece here. So what we're gonna do, I talked to Pete, the owner, and we are not going to put the spare tire cover on. Blake has a spare tire for it. This cover here come with the kit. So what we're gonna do is this strip that goes all the way around the tire, we're gonna cut this out and we're gonna use this strip to finish off that area in the back. And I think we'll have a lot nicer finish with that. Like I said, I'm not sure why they did just put another bit of material on there, but they didn't. So we're gonna make our own little touch on this. And I think it's really gonna finish it off a lot better. So we're gonna get this cut, get it fitted, and get it on. So we have our little custom piece fit in here, and we're real happy with the way this come out. Finishes it off, and they got the spare tire mounted. So we decided to go a little further with the modifying of this kit, and we're gonna cut some pieces to finish off a little bit there where that block off plate is, where the back seat is, and get them on there. Okay guys, so we got this all wrapped up here, and we're pretty pleased with the little bit of customizing we did to the kit with these 2 little pieces on the sides here. It covers up that body colored structure in between that back seat pass-through block out. Kind of finishes off there real nice. So everything looks pretty good. We're all done with it here. And as always, we appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, commenting below, and asking any questions. So with that being said, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.